I think it will appeal.
Yeah, me too. I hope so.
I think it really will appeal.
Yes. Sounds amazing. That's such an interesting track. I love it, yeah. Just the ping pong balls and stuff. Alright. Okay. Yeah, really fun, yeah.
Definitely there on top.
In the vocals.
Look, I like it. I actually really like it.
Me too.
I like the look of it. I like the bass response, but I definitely think they do stand out as a standalone. As is. It's definitely very intriguing. It does sound nice. It does fill the room. I think it will appeal.
Yeah, me too. I hope so.
I think it really will appeal.